Hey, it's Marvin McKenzie. Just wanted to let you know what's going on with my Ford Explorer. I've got a 2015 Ford Explorer, still under warranty, and recently it developed a sound, a noise under the windshield. Sounded almost like a bumblebee or something stuck underneath the dashboard. And so I took it in. It's under warranty, so I took it into the Ford dealer to have it looked at. And to be honest, what happened the first time I took it in, I had to ended up taking it in twice. The first time I took it in, they called me up and said, "Well, it looks to me like you've got some stuff that's bouncing around in the glove box making the noise." And I felt foolish and said, "Man, it was that simple to fix." They charged me $30 to tell me that I had something in the glove box that was making that rattling around and making that noise. Got it home, it still makes the same sound, still had the same issue. And so I did some research. I went on to YouTube and found a couple of videos. Others were complaining about a noise that was in their vehicle, I listened, kind of saved one of those to listen to. And then I also one of the next times I was in the car, I took this little short video that you've got here so I could have the sound. I made another appointment with the Ford dealer, took it in, showed him my video. The customer service fellows called one of their technicians who listened to it also, and so they worked on the car, and it turned out that they said it was the cowl grill panel, and it took them a day to order the part and to bring it in, and they replaced that cowl. Actually, they actually broke the windshield replacing it, so they had to put a new windshield on it as well. But they did get the problem fixed. It is now repaired. It was the cowl grill panel is what the problem was, and it was a free fix because the car was still under warranty. Marvin, this is Marvin McKenzie. Just thought I'd let you know what's going on with my Ford Explorer.